Hi everyone, I've got a Peugeot 207 here. Just going to do a service reset on this. I'll show you how it's done. Before any of that, I'll tell you exactly what we're looking at. As you could see, the spanner light's on. If I switch the ignition on, it says minus 5,000 miles. So what we need to do is to reset the light. What I need to do is switch the ignition off, press and hold this button here on the right hand side. Switch the ignition on. As you can see, the countdown started just now. So when it goes down to 0, that means the all light is reset. Before you do any of this, make sure you replace the oil and oil filter. It's quite important. Just don't do the service reset without replacing anything. Now you can see the service light's gone. 12,000 miles now. That's all you got to do on your car. And any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you as much as we can. Thank you. Goodbye.